Hello, today we are solving October 2023 paper unit 2 part C of the question. Okay, calculate the payback period of the project. So here we can see that Roadway Construction PLC is taking up a project to construct a motorway by making an investment of 20 million pounds. It is going to have some revenue and cost. So in part A question we had calculated budgeted net profit. In the part B, we had calculated what will be the average rate of return from this project. In the third part, we have been asked to calculate what is the payback period for the project. How many years will it take to recover the initial investment cost is the payback period. So by using for the non-discounted payback period, you will calculate what is the total amount. Okay, what is the time taken for the cash flows to become equal to the initial investment. Now for the net cash flow, you will add back the depreciation. So the budgeted net profit we had already calculated 4933,420. To that you will add the depreciation. Okay, you will add 4 million. Okay, so that means that will be the net cash flow 8933,420. Now let's take the initial investment as negative and then add the net cash flow and see when it will become positive. Okay, so till that time you have to continue a procedure. So first you will take the initial investment as negative. In the year 1 there is going to be a positive cash flow of 8933,420. So now what is the remaining from the investment? Okay, from 20 million minus 20 million plus 8933,420. So the value is going to be equal to 11,066,580. Now again then in the year 2 you will have again a positive net cash flow of the same amount 8933,420. Now minus 11,066,580 plus 8933,420 is going to be equal to 2133,160. Okay. Now in the year 3 again you will have a positive net cash flow of 8933,420. So minus 2133,160 is the remaining investment plus 8933,420 is the positive cash flow that will happen within the business. So you will have 6,800,260. So you will stop when it turns positive, otherwise you will have to continue year 4, year 5 if needed, okay, till the initial investment turns into positive. Now the payback period for the project is going to be equal to, so we can see that it took 2 years, okay, to complete the return of investment. So 2 years, and the remaining months you will calculate like this. You will use the negative value in the last year 2133,160. Okay, this amount you will use divided by the cash flow, okay, the net cash flow, positive cash flow you were happening 8933,420 into 12, okay, into 12. So this value is going to give me as months, okay, the remaining months, okay, for the payback period. So 2 complete years it's going to take and 2.87 months within, or 3 months more it will take to complete this payback period for the initial investment, or to get back that initial investment due to the project